Hi everyone, let's understand the pay alone option in Oracle Fusion Payables. So basically this feature ensures that an invoice is paid separately rather than being grouped with other invoices in the same payment batch. So pay alone is pay this invoice separately. First, in order to set the configuration, let's go to procurement, select our supplier, click on suppliers. Click on manage suppliers. Select your supplier. Edit. Click on the pencil icon. Now go to the sites. Click on the pencil icon. Supplier site. Go to Payments tab. Payment attributes. Payment specifications. Here you see that there is a checkbox called Pay each invoice alone. Enable this checkbox. Save. Save and close. This means every invoice for this supplier will be paid individually. Okay. Next, let's create two standard invoices for the same supplier. Go to Payables. Click on Invoices. Create a standard invoice. To test this scenario, create invoice. Give our correct BU. So we'll select the same supplier, which we have enabled the checkbox. This is my pay alone invoice 1. We'll give it as $3,300. My payment terms would be immediate. And select US1 as my legal entity. Click on lines. Give 300. And select your distribution set. Save. Validate the invoice. Click on Invoice Actions and then Validate. After validating, click on Post to Ledger. So let's quickly create one more standard invoice. Save and create next. So basically we are creating two invoices, Pay Alone 1 and Pay Alone 2, so that the accounting has been completed. Okay, let's click on Save and Create Next. So we are creating two invoices because when we select the invoices, the system should show that we'll be able to pay for only one invoice. This is Pay Alone invoice 2. I'll select the invoice amount as $400. Take the payment terms as immediate. Click on lines. The amount equal to the header amount. Select the distribution set. Now let's quickly save it, then validate, then do post to ledger. So here, before posting it to ledger, I want to show you something. Click on Manage Installments. See, the pay alone is already enabled. Even for the earlier one invoice also, you will see that the pay alone checkbox is enabled because we have already enabled it at the supplier level. So for both the invoices, the pay alone checkbox is enabled. Click on Post to Ledger. We have selected it at the supplier's site level, right? For the same reason, at the manage installments, pay alone is checked automatically. Now, create payment. Go to payments. Click on the task list. Click on create payment. Let's try to process the payment for these invoices. So select our business unit, the supplier. Okay, the address, everything came automatically. Let's select our disbursement bank account. So I'll be selecting a bank account. So payment currency is US dollar. Payment method is wire. Payment process profile. Let's select Skanda PPP. This one, I'll show you how to create a payment process profile, how to run the PPR in the next video. Till then, now click on this plus icon, which is select and add. So pay alone 1 and pay alone 2. These are the invoices which we have created, right? 300 and 400. Select, apply. Okay. Oracle will allow only one invoice per payment document since the pay alone option forces the system to pay that invoice separately. See, we have selected this one. Let's try to select one more invoice. Let's try to select this pay alone 2. Apply. See, you can't pay this invoice with other invoices because it's a pay alone invoice or you already selected a pay alone invoice. So we have already instructed the system by enabling the pay alone checkbox. So each invoice gets its own separate payment since the pay alone option forces the system to pay the invoice separately. So that's how the pay alone feature works. It ensures that individual payment processing for each invoices, giving you the better control over supplier payments in Oracle Fusion Payables. Pay alone is nothing but one invoice and one payment. So whenever you want to ensure a supplier invoice is paid separately, just enable pay alone. Ensure that it is enabled at the supplier side. Create multiple invoices. System pays each invoice separately. No grouping, no mix up. 100% control on supplier payments. Thank you, everyone.